Hey friends, if you encounter the error and unexpected error has occurred for network, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list of network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one. Select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to disable IPv6. Press the Windows key and the R button together. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the active network connection and then select properties and then uncheck the box associated with Internet Protocol version 6. Click on OK. The last solution is to reset the network. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings and then click on network reset and then finally click on reset now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.